Okay, this is the elevator at Dillards, North Plain Mall, Alpharetta, Georgia. This one is a MontgomeryKONE, I believe. Yes, this feels very MontgomeryKONE. Yep, MontgomeryKONE. Indicator's dead. Here's your COP, Innovation Universal buttons, a 3,500 pound capacity, and an 88 phone. Very nice cab. What the hell? Are we moving? Okay, we were. 3. Water time. Ooh, this is not that great, actually. Believe me. Chimes are wired backwards. The cab is very nice. It's your typical fancy Dillards cab. But the rest of the elevator, it does not run that well. The indicator's completely dead. This is a little bouncy. And it's just otherwise. I mean, the cab's kind of beat up. I mean, it's typical for a mall, but this is kind of annoying. Let's see how many times the chime rings. That shot somebody. I didn't mean to do that, but whatever. And 3. Alrighty. There it goes, and that'll be it.